Okay, boys and girls, I'm at the superstore where I broke down maybe, what was it, 3-4 weeks ago, and finally that other truck that was sitting in the parking lot is gone. He stayed here for at least 3 weeks that I counted. But anyways, I had a little encounter today, an amazing encounter, an awesome encounter. I was in the lineup getting my groceries, and the tellers says, "Oh, good day, how are you?" She says, "You're Chuck, right?" And I go, yeah. And I'm kind of sitting there, "How do you know?" She goes, "Oh, I follow you." I go, "On YouTube?" "Yeah." She says, "Yeah, I follow you." I said, "Wow, that's cool. I'm quite surprised." She says, "Why are you surprised? You're quite famous here." I'm going, "What? How in the hell can I be famous? I'm just a guy who lives an alternative lifestyle." But anyways, she was super awesome. We chatted for a little bit. She goes, I gotta tell you, you're much better looking in person than on YouTube." So, oh my God, too funny. But on YouTube, I don't know, I'm still not used to talking on camera to myself or to you guys. So I think I'm a little bit different coming through when I talk about my life and my lifestyle on YouTube. So in person, I think I'm a little bit more different, maybe. I'm not sure, so I can't see myself out of body. So, but anyways, it's been a good day. Happy Thursday to me. So cheers, guys. Who knows what's coming after this? So awesome day already. Awesome. I love it. Okay, what's up today, boys and girls? This is it, where all good van dwellers go to buy van build stuff and to get van build ideas. That is, yeah, IKEA. We're gonna go check things out here. Very noisy here, actually. While we're here talking about van build ideas and van building stuff, I'm gonna mention that Korean girl, for some reason, the past 2 weekends, she's asked me to play a lot of YouTube videos with van builds, mostly school bus builds. She really likes the idea of short buses, short school buses. So the past 2 weekends, she's like, "Oh, what do you got? Play more videos. Show me van builds." So yeah, surprises me a lot that she's got this idea of checking out videos on van builds. Anyways, let's go inside and see what we can find that looks interesting. So one thing that I like here are these little hanging baskets. This is $9, and these type here are a pretty good idea. However, my idea, I'm thinking some old pallets, of making a small wooden one out of some older small pallets. Or I have a couple extra rice bags. I'm thinking I could sew up a rice bag with a hook like that. So simple idea that I could use in the van to hang things and make use of more space. Or something like this, a sliding container, or something like this, a sliding rack. You can make some hooks, and then you could add some wooden planters, or like they do, they could put their utensils or pots or whatever. So I think a simple idea is like that I might incorporate in my van. So that just might work, yeah, really well. Okay, so what did I end up getting from IKEA? These clips, little bag clips, to once you open a bag, you can't close it. Well, these things work awesome. I don't know if anybody's tried them or uses them. Did I say 99 cents? I can't remember now. Cheap for 10 of them. The other thing was, I got my mugs, my double-walled mugs. These were $8.99 for a set of 2, so $4.50 each with tax, probably like $5. These are double-walled, so it should keep my coffee hotter or my cold drinks colder. So hold on, let me open this and I'll show you. Yeah, see, double-walled. I kind of like this idea. yeah, you can see your coffee or whatever other drink you have in there. Maybe I have a Jack Daniels on ice. That's a good idea too in the summer. So yeah, I picked up a set of these, a set of 4 for $2.99. So it's got a nice little screw-on lid. So what the plan is, maybe to put spices or sugar, and I'm gonna screw this on top of my ledge, and then I can just screw the jar in. Oh my god, first day at my new lips, don't worry. So this will save some space from the cupboards, and I will put it up in the back of the van there. Ah, yeah, how am I gonna do that? Oh, we'll figure a way. Hold on, I'll show you after. Okay, we ended up here at Superstore. I gotta go grab some groceries and make something to eat. However, I'm thinking there's a Starbucks right here. So maybe I'm gonna go park over there and see if I can pick up some Wi-Fi. So let's start with that and then get groceries. You know, last year at this time, I was able to come into this parking lot and sleep at night because this was empty. This was all no building here. The only thing was A&W and that Superstore. So it was a really quiet place. However, now a year and a couple months after, it's fully developed. So I don't think I'll get away with sleeping here anymore. However, the good thing is, it's close to Korean girls. They got a Starbucks, good Wi-Fi, so I can come park here when I'm not visiting her on the weekends or weekdays. And I can, yeah, tap in and do some uploading and downloading of videos. So, very cool. Yeah, totally awesome. Actually, this turned out to be the perfect spot. I was able to go in, do my business, number 2, then go buy some bread and milk and whatever, and we're gonna go in and make some bacon, eggs, and toast. So, bonus, and then upload in between. So, wow, this morning I am super hungry. I need a bite to eat. More. You know, usually I don't eat a lot of bacon, but once in a while, I won't say I crave it, but yeah, it's good to have a little bit of fat in your system. Anyways, I'm thinking this is where I'm gonna mount my little spice container things. I'll stack them up here close to my kitchen area, so, and that way they shouldn't be too much in the way. I was preferring to put them farther under, but if you notice, there's this crappy whatever factory Naugahyde crap stuff they put in vinyl. So the other thing, I might hook some coffee cups or something here. I'm wondering, I could put it to my overhead thing, or I'd put it under here, but you know what, I use this as a storage container. Mind you, this thing here's got to go because that's Korean girls and it doesn't work anyway, so she can have it and do what she wants with it. Anyways, yeah, toast, eggs, breakfast, even though it's like 2-3 in the afternoon. That's what happens when you work nights. Cheers!